Hey Toolerinos, I've got a screwdriver here with a secret. When I first saw it, I thought it was some kind of screw holding screwdriver because of the spring that slides up and down on the shaft. And I did notice the corrosion on the shaft under the handle and some fracturing in there, so I wasn't thinking it was too good of a screwdriver. But as I looked into it a little more carefully, you can see here it says Stanley, number 1014, and it's made in USA, and it has a patent number. And it has a red little depression here on the one end, which I thought was kind of weird. But so I didn't know what it was for or how to use it, so I had to look up the patent to figure it out. Alright, Toolerinos, let's test this screwdriver with a secret. What does it do? Huzzah! Look at that! Amazing! Lift it off. Touch it. You just have to touch it through the spark plug wire. You don't have to like complete a circuit or anything. How does that work? If any of you guys out there watching can explain how this magic screwdriver works without completing a circuit, how does it light that up? It's like a special gas in the inside the handle or something. Very cool. You got it grounded out. There you go. If you touch it to the case, it goes out. Wow. Very cool. Butt came off the seat pretty far there. Woo! That was a good one.